Hi, this is Monica. Today we're going to make felt gift card holders. What you're going to need is 2 pieces of felt. I like to use 2 different colors for contrast. Any embellishments, binding, rickrack, flowers, anything really that you want to make it your own. The back piece is 4 inches by 3 inches. And then this little pocket here is 4 inches wide by 2 inches. This one, I sewed binding all the way around it to make the pocket. I'll use my Kohl's reward card. And on this one, I just sewed some ribbon to the top and made a little loop so you could hang it on a package, and then you could put your gift card in here. Just plain and simple. All I did was just sew the pocket on raw edges. I didn't do anything else. I'm just cutting my felt down to 4 inches. By 3 inches. For the backing. It's down to 4 inches. All right. Oops, I gotta straighten that one up a little bit. It's a little crooked on one end. I don't know what I was doing. So I'm just gonna cut it right down to 2 inches since I messed it. I have just some bias tape. I'm just gonna go all the way around or across the top piece. I'm gonna take this off and put binding on it. This is from my grandmother's stash. Look at that binding. It was 15 cents back whenever this was made. I don't see a date. In Williamsport, PA. Trimtex bias tape. 5 yards, 15 cents. No date though. Let me just get this and cut off a piece. Alright, so I just put the binding in between, or the felt in between the binding. I'm just going to stitch along that edge. I'm going to back stitch and just keep it all lined up and sew right off the edge. Okay. I sewed my binding across. Now I'm just going to even it up with the sides of the felt. And then I'm going to take it back over and put binding all the way around. Now I'm adding the binding. I'm going to put this one on the back. So I'm just going to open it up and I'm going to sew right in that spot. And just keep it even with the back. All right. Now I'm just going to sew right down that little line from opening that up till right at the edge. Back tack. I'm going to lift, move this out of the way, turn, go off the edge. my threads. Now, I'm going to go straight up and back down and keep those even. The side and the edge there. And go back underneath. Get over there. I probably should have done it just like I did the other. Back tack. I'm going to do the same thing. Go clear down this side. Back tack. And right off the edge. Cut my thread. Okay, now we're going to go up at a 45-degree angle and back down. I got to keep that open though. And down here. Get you in there. Boom. Straighten it out. Back tack. All right, now we're gonna just keep it open and go straight down to the other side. Back tack. All right, and turn, sew off the corner. All right, now I'm going to do the same thing. Take this up, 45-degree angle, and then straight down on the edge, keeping everything lined up, and then start sewing again. Back tack. And then just go clear to the edge here. Alright, now we're going to go up just like we did on the other side. Oops, see? Open that up, go up, 45-degree angle. And cut this out of here. And then back down this side. Right in that corner. And stitch to that other place. Okay, this is the back side of the gift card. This is the front with the little pocket that I put binding on. Now we are just gonna flip all that binding over to the front. and then just stitch it right along the edge all the way around. I'm going to start on this side over here and just work my way around. Back stitch. All right, now I'm going to turn that over. Kind of hard to do when you're at the edge here. All right, turn that in. I can't see, so I've got to take it out. All right, so we're going to push that in, push that over. All right, now we're going to go back where we started, put that in, go boom, back tack. All right, now turn and go down the other side, right on that edge. Make sure you keep it tucked in there. This time, before I get there, I gotta make sure everything's all kosher. Not kosher, but you know, in there. Alright, now I'm going down the other side. You gotta get your corner ready. Especially in this short of a space, you're going to want to make sure you do it before you get to the corner. Now this one's got to go over, in, and then over. Right? Yeah, just like that. Now we're going back to the other side. Get some of these threads out of my way. And back tack, and I'll back tack a little more. I'm too far up. All right, and then go back along that edge right to where you started. Back tack. All right, this one here, I'm taking ribbon, I'm making a loop so they can tape it or hang it on the present, and then I'm just going to sew it right down the edge of the gift card holder. But I'm going to start it off at an angle right there. And then when I get over here, then I will switch it. Now, get that out of the way. Now I'm going to sew across the bottom. And then I'm going to turn. And then go across the other side. And then down the side just to secure it. Like that. Oh, gift tag there. You're going to want to either fray check or burn the side and do all your threads. And here's the one that I put the binding on. And I'm just going to stitch that little flower right on there. Or you could glue it. I'm going to stitch it.